Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's episode. Today we're going to be talking about this NPF battery plate from SmallRig. This is not a new battery plate by any means, but this is surely newer than Tilta's battery plate. So let's put this cable aside at the moment. I'll get to that. So this is the product in question. It comes in a white box. It's quite nice compared to their usual brown packaging. It's got the SmallRig branding and you got the product embossed in front here. It's got a little bit of raise to it, something like an Apple box. So it's the NPF battery adapter plate, and this comes without a cable. On the back you've got what is included in the package and some contact info. Alright, let's take a look. Now I've already been using this plate for about 2 months. I've just purposely repackaged this so that you can see what is in the box together. So it comes in this nice black color paper sleeve kind of thing. So you just lift it up and you're greeted with a pamphlet from SmallRig. And this is something like a VIP service from them. So you can scan the QR code. Okay, this is the QR code. If you like to have a look at it, maybe you can just scan and they will show you. It will take you to SmallRig service center, or you will have the after sales policy here if you like to just scan it and have a look for yourself. So that's what you get in the box, a small little pamphlet. And then you have the Allen key here, Allen key wrench. You've got 2 extra 1/4" screws, and then you've got the battery plate itself with another 1/4" screw here with the twisty handle thing. So let's get it out. Right, this is how it looks. The Allen wrench. So I'm not going to bother with the 2 1/4" screw. You know practically what it does. So let's put this aside. It's the Allen key wrench, and this is the battery plate in itself. So you've got DC 12 volts out on the left hand side. You've got a rate power button. I'll get to that. You've got 3 LEDs to show you the battery condition, the battery health, or the charge remaining, and then here you've got a blue LED to show you the status of the battery plate. And on the right hand side you got a DC out for 7.4 volts. On the top you've got the connector for the batteries, you've got all the mounting options, and at the back here you've got a secure kind of lock to prevent the battery from sliding out. Underneath is just quite a grippy substance here, like a rubbery substance to hold it in place. Alright, so what do I think about this product? It's pretty well built actually. I think this is in direct competition to Tilta's battery plate. But the problem with that battery plate, it didn't have the option to check your battery health via this 3 green LEDs. And let me get a battery so that I can demonstrate it better. Okay, here with me I have a Sony NPF 770 battery. This is just a generic battery that I bought it from online. So if you were to plug this battery into the battery plate, okay, you've got a solid click here which tells you it is locked. And as you can see here, you've got an indication. So you've got the blue LED light now which tells you that the battery plate is active and it's giving out power, giving out juice. So you know it's working and you know the fuse is not blown. And if you were to press this red button, it shows you the battery health. So it gives you 3 greens, each is about, I guess, 33% of power from 100%. That's one thing good about this battery plate over its Tilta variant. So this is actually come in handy quite a lot. So I've been using this mainly on my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K camera, and that is why I have all these cables beside me. This is a cheap dummy battery that I got it off Lazada. It came from China. It's from a company called Endover. They're actually pretty good, and it's quite sturdy actually. The cable is good, nothing gives way. I've used this, but I'm more inclined to use this cable, which is a 2-pin connector to the barrel connector that goes to the 12-volt socket from the battery plate. Anyway, this has just been a short video on the battery plate. If you decide to buy this over the Tilta, I would say you've made a better decision just because you have that indicator. The Tilta plate is pretty famous, you know, mostly even my camera shops around Malaysia, they're always recommending me to buy that. Not many people are aware that SmallRig has their own plate. Do visit their website. From time to time they do give some sort of discount. But if you're lazy to go online and look for each and one of these items through Lazada and you're not too sure who is to trust and stuff, I will have all these items that you see in front here listed in the description box below. Do check it out. I'm pretty sure it's well worth your time if you're planning to, get a new battery plate if you have not already got one. That's about it from me in this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on the plate, please put it down in the comments below. Stay safe, mask up, and until I see you in the next one, bye bye.